Welcome to Funchal, the stunning capital of Madeira, Portugal. Forget just wine. This city is a feast for your eyes, soul and stomach. I'll be your guide as we dive into the 13 best things to do here, from tasting exotic fruits to sliding down hills in a wicker basket. So grab a snack and get comfy. Let's fall in love with Funchal together. Ready? Let's go. First stop, Mercado dos Lavradores, the vibrant heart of Funchal. Step inside and you're hit with a riot of colours, sounds and scents, flowers, fruits and friendly vendors everywhere. The floristas in traditional dress make the place feel like a living art show. Try the banana passion fruit or the custard apple. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Downstairs, the fish market is a spectacle, especially the black scabbard fish. Ugly but delicious. Watching the fishmongers at work is a show in itself. This market isn't just for shopping. It's where you feel the pulse of Madeira. Taste, chat and soak up the culture. It's the perfect introduction to Funchal. Let's keep exploring. Next, we escape to the Monte Palace Tropical Garden, a hillside wonderland above Funchal. Imagine lush ferns, ancient trees and flowers from every continent, all with sweeping city views. Wander winding paths, breathe in the fresh air and find peace by koi-filled ponds and gentle waterfalls. Art lovers, don't miss the azulejo tile panels and the museum's Zimbabwean sculptures. This garden is a magical blend of nature and culture. It's a place to slow down, recharge and be inspired. Every corner reveals something new. You'll leave feeling lighter and more connected to the beauty of Madeira. Don't rush. Let the garden work its magic. Ready for the next adventure? To reach Monte, we're taking the Funchal cable car, an experience in itself. Glide above terracotta rooftops, banana plantations and the sparkling harbour. The city unfolds beneath you, offering views you simply can't get on foot. The higher you go, the more breathtaking it gets. It's peaceful, almost meditative, with just the hum of the cable and the wind. Don't forget to put your camera down and just soak it all in. This ride is the perfect prelude to the gardens above. It's a must-do for any visitor. The anticipation builds with every metre. Let's keep moving. Now for a thrill. Funchal's legendary toboggan ride. Hop into a giant wicker sled, steered by two carreros in traditional white. You'll slide down winding roads, laughing all the way. It's fast, fun and totally unique, a living piece of Madeiran history. The carreros' skill is impressive as they guide you safely down. This is a story you'll tell for years. It's not just a ride, it's a tradition. Don't miss this unforgettable experience. Time to slow down at the Sé Cathedral, Funchal's historic heart. Step inside and marvel at the stunning cedarwood ceiling, a masterpiece of Mudejar art. The architecture blends Gothic strength with Moorish and Manueline details. Every corner tells a story of Madeira's past. Even if you're not religious, the peace here is palpable. It's a quiet sanctuary amid the city's bustle. Take a moment to reflect and admire centuries of craftsmanship. Need a breather? Santa Catarina Park is Funchal's green oasis. Stroll manicured lawns, relax by the pond, or picnic under shady trees. The views over the harbour and city are spectacular, perfect for photos. Watch ships come and go, or just enjoy the sunshine. There's a charming chapel and a cafe for a quick break. It's where locals and visitors recharge, a slice of tranquility in the city. Football fan or not, you can't skip the CR7 Museum, Cristiano Ronaldo's tribute in his hometown. Marvel at his trophies, shirts, and the story of his rise from Funchal streets to global stardom. The museum is interactive and fun. Try the AR selfie with Ronaldo. It's a celebration of dreams, hard work, and local pride. Even non-fans will be inspired. Don't forget a photo with the giant bronze statue outside. It's a uniquely Funchal experience. Welcome to Zona Vella, Funchal's old town, a maze of cobbled streets bursting with art and energy. The Art of Open Doors project turns every doorway into a canvas. Wander, discover hidden gems, and soak up the creative vibe. By night, the area buzzes with restaurants and music, perfect for dinner. History and modern life blend seamlessly here. From ancient chapels to lively bars, it's the soul of the city. Get lost and enjoy every colourful corner. Zona Vella is Funchal, at its most vibrant. Time for a taste of history. Madeira wine. Visit a wine lodge like Blandy's to see centuries-old barrels and learn the unique estufagem process. Madeira's flavours, caramel, nuts, dried fruit, are unforgettable. Sample styles from dry Sertial to sweet Malmsey. The tasting is a journey through time and tradition. Appreciate the craftsmanship in every sip. It's a delicious way to connect with the island. Cheers to Madeira. Next, the Botanical Garden, a living encyclopedia of over 2,000 plant species. Explore themed sections, from native Madeiran flora to exotic cacti and vibrant birds. The geometric flower beds are a must-see, like a living mosaic. The hillside setting offers panoramic city and sea views. It's both beautiful and educational. Perfect for plant lovers and anyone who appreciates nature's artistry. Take your time and enjoy the scenery. Another Funchal gem. Down by the sea, the Lido Promenade is Funchal's answer to the Riviera. Walk the palm-lined path, breathe the ocean air, and relax by saltwater pools. No sandy beaches? No problem. Swim in the pools or brave the Atlantic. Cafes and restaurants line the promenade for a seaside snack. It's all about sun, sea, and slowing down. The perfect spot for a lazy afternoon. Enjoy Funchal's playful side. For the best view in town, head to Pico dos Barcelos. From 355 meters up, the city, bay and mountains stretch out before you. It's the ultimate postcard shot. Don't forget your camera. Come at sunset for a magical panorama as the city lights twinkle on. There's a cafe and souvenir shop if you want to linger. It's easy to reach and never too crowded. This view will stay with you long after you leave. Now let's eat. Madeira's signature dish is espetada, juicy beef skewered on laurel sticks and grilled to perfection. Served with bolo do caco, garlicky sweet potato bread, it's a flavour explosion. Try black scabbard fish with banana, milho frito and more. Eating here is about bold flavours and good company. The presentation is part of the fun. Meat dripping onto your plate from a hanging skewer. Every meal is a celebration. Don't leave without a feast. Madeira's food is unforgettable. And that's a wrap on our Funchal adventure. From mountain views to seaside feasts, this city truly has it all. What was your favourite part? Let me know in the comments. If you loved this guide, Hit subscribe for more journeys. Until next time, stay hungry for adventure.